Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to be reading Surah Al-Baqarah, ayah number 264 to I think it's 272. I'll just see how much it is. So let's get started. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Parable of wasted charity. O believers, do not waste your charity with reminders of your generosity or hurtful words. Bil Manni wal Azad. This is the parable that I did this Friday on my other channel, Islam for Little Hearts. So if anyone is interested in finding out the explanation of this, can watch that. So do not waste your charity with reminders of generosity, of your generosity and hurtful words, like those who donate their wealth just to show off and and do not believe in Allah or the last day. Their example is that of a hard, barren rock covered with a thin layer of soil hid by strong rain, leaving it just bare stone. Such people are unable to preserve the reward of their charity. Allah does not guide such disbelieving people. Parable of accepted charity. And the example of those who donate their wealth seeking Allah's pleasure and believing in the reward is certain is that of a garden on a fertile hill. With heavy rain, when heavy rain falls, it yields up twice its normal produce. And if there is no rain, if no heavy rain falls, then a drizzle is sufficient for them. And Allah is all seeing of what you do. Wasted reward. Would any of you wish to have a garden with palm trees and grapevines and all kinds of fruits with rivers flowing underneath? And as they grow very old with dependent children, a fiery whirlwind hits the garden, burning it all up. This is how Allah makes His revelations clear to you, so perhaps you will reflect. Quality charity. O believers, donate from the best of what you have earned we have and of what we have produced for you from the earth. Do not pick out worthless things for donations, which you yourselves would only accept with closed eyes. And know that Allah is self-sufficient, praiseworthy. Devil discouraging charity. The devil threatens you with prospect of poverty and bids you to a shameful deed of stinginess, while Allah promises you forgiveness and great bounties from Him. And Allah is all bountiful, all knowing. Wisdom as a privilege, not a right. He grants wisdom to whoever He wills, and whoever is granted wisdom is certainly blessed with great privilege. But none will be mindful of this except the people of reason. May Allah grant us with wisdom. Ameen. Summa ameen. Donating openly and secretly. Whatever charities you give or vows you make are surely known to Allah, and the wrongdoers will have no helpers. To give charity publicly is good, but to give it to the poor privately is better for you. And let me just put something. Is better for you and will absolve you of your sins. And Allah is all aware of what you do. You are not responsible for the people's guidance, O Prophet. It is Allah who guides whoever He wills. Whatever you believers spend in charity, it is for your own good, as long as you do so seeking the pleasure of Allah. Whatever you donate will be paid back to you in full, and you will not be wronged. That's all for today. Inshallah, I'll continue tomorrow. Fi aman.